This tutorial demonstrates encrypting plain text using TextCrypter. For an overview of TextCrypter and its controls, see Tutorial 1, Intro. Encrypting plain text using TextCrypter requires three things. First, plain text to encrypt. Text containing formatting characters is not supported. Second, selecting one of 7 encryption types. Third, a password. The same password and encryption type used for an encryption are required for its decryption. Very large amounts of plain text can be encrypted and decrypted. TextCrypter has been tested using 2 million characters. However, the plain and coded edit boxes will not allow direct entry or normal pasting of more than 30,000 characters. But there is a way. For messages longer than 30,000 characters, prepare the message in a text editor, copy the text to the Windows clipboard, and use the P buttons to paste into the appropriate box. Let's encrypt the following message. The message can be typed directly into the plain text box or pasted using Ctrl-V or right-click paste, or by clicking the P button, the recommended method. Next, select the encryption type by pulling down this list and clicking on your preference, although the recommended type is AES 256-bit. Then, enter a password by typing it directly into this box, pasting it, or selecting it from a predefined list of up to 10 passwords using the triple dot button, which is described in another tutorial. As usual, the more complex the password, the harder it will be to crack by a would-be spy. Passwords can contain any character on the standard English keyboard, including spaces and punctuation, but leading and trailing spaces will be removed. The final step is to press the yellow Encode button. In a few seconds, the encrypted data will appear in the coded box. It includes a header, a version number, an optional date stamp, the encrypted data, and a footer. Other than the date stamp, all of the data in the coded box are required to decrypt the message. To copy the encrypted data to another program, perhaps an email, click the C button on the right-hand side of the coded box. This copies it to the Windows clipboard. Then, paste the clipboard wherever needed using Ctrl-V or right-click paste. When the coded data corresponds to the plain text, encryption type, and password used in the encryption, the background color of the coded data will be white. However, if one or more of those items are altered, the background will turn pink to indicate re-encoding is necessary. If the altered item is returned to the original state, the background will change back to white. However, when the number of characters exceeds 30,000, the program is unable to detect if the plain text is returned to its original state, and the background will remain pink even though it should be white. As mentioned previously, for a tutorial describing all of the controls in this window, see Tutorial 1, Intro. For a tutorial on decrypting a message, see Tutorial 3, Decrypting. For a tutorial on using password collection, the triple dot button, see Tutorial 4, PW Collection.